Welcome to 18 Greens. This is the first in our tutorial series. This is sort of a quick launch, get it running real quick demo. So we're going to fire up the app here. We're going to choose the 1 month free, and then we'll see how we like it and go from there. We're all set. Here's the getting started kind of guide, what you need to do. We'll go through that now. First, go to settings. Choose yards or feet, kph or meters, whichever you enjoy. There's no translation in there, so whatever, those are just displays, so you can toggle those around if you want. If you change it, we don't change the data. Next, go to My Clubs. We're just going to do driver, so select the driver. You can toggle your clubs on and off here. Each sheet has an info sheet that'll tell you about how to use the screen if you forget or need some information. Next, we're going to go to launch data. We're going to choose our driver, and then we're going to add some data by using the plus button up here. Driver, I did this on April 11th. My monitor was PRGR, and I was in the load tree mats. Enough the mats there. I'm going to punch in some data here. I'll probably do one record quick and then speed through the others. So club speed was 108, ball speed was 153, smash 1.41 with a carry of 260. And I come up here and save the record. And then all I'm going to do is punch in some data records here real quick, and we'll zoom through that. All right, we've got a bunch of data records saved here. So we can go ahead and close out of here. Next thing that I would do, I would go to data import, and I would, settings. I'd go to settings, and I'd go export all launch data. This is going to export everything you just typed into a folder that you can add later. I'm going to go here. It puts it in our 18 Greens folder, 18 Green export with the date to it. If you want, you can go ahead and rename that to, I'll do 2024, what was it, 0411 driver. So now we have that in our data. We can go back and load that at any time. So we're going to go back to 18 Greens. We're going to go back to launch data. I'm going to choose our driver again. So here's all our data records that we have that we just entered. Quite a few of them. Oh, we got a bad smash factor there, so I'm going to take that guy out. I did a fat finger there. I'll probably have to go back in and redo that record and fix it. Take that guy out. We'll go over here to our distances. So here's our driver. Based on that data we entered, our average was 165 based on our standard deviations. I go up here and hit show deviation. We'll get about an 8-yard standard deviation on either side of that as our min and max, so that kind of gives us a range. That's kind of pretty spread out, so let's go back to our launch data here. Grab driver. And what we're going to go do is get rid of everything that has a really bad smash. As I kind of started the session, I wasn't swinging very well. So I'm going to take that out, this guy, that was pretty good. That one's bad. So pretty much anything under 1.4, we took that guy out because the smash was just typed in wrong. All right, so we took that out, and it changed our statistics a little bit. We'll go back to our distances here. Standard deviation got a little bit better. Here's our averages. Now I play at a high elevation. I play about a mile high, so I can tweak everything up 5% for the elevation. And then this is what I would be hitting that club in general at the elevation that I play with. If you hit this arrow here, it'll take you back down to sea level. But that is pretty much the manual enter data and show it up on our distances chart here. So that is our first video. That'll conclude this guy. Our next video is going to be setting up your bag, and then our third video will be kind of a bulk data import, kind of the quickest way to get your data into the system. So we will see you then.